Hello and welcome back to Food and Nutrition Expert Channel. Today we are going to learn about our next topic, that's JS2. We're still on JS2, second week of the scheme, first term home economics. All right, our topic today is decision making. By the end of this lesson, the students will be able to define decision making. The students will be able to state steps in decision making, and the students will be able to state simple personal decisions and factors that influence decision making. So, what is decision making? Decision making is the art of making a choice from alternative courses of action or things. Let me explain it. When you are given about three things to choose from, the decision you make matters. That's how decision making is being explained. Is the art of making a choice from alternative courses of action or things. Or if you are asked to join a football team or a skipping rope team, the decision you make matters. That will show the kind of decision, the things you like and how you want it. So decision making can only take place when there are two things to choose from. Now, steps in decision making. Steps in decision making. Number one, identify the decision to be made. This involves defining the situation that requires a decision. Example, when buying a new pair of shoes, you have to decide on the use, number one, on the use of the shoe, the type of the shoe, the color of the shoe, where to buy the shoe. You see, you have to identify what you want first. That's the first step of decision making. Then number two, list the alternatives. Okay, alternatives are different ways of doing a thing. Using the example above, the alternative could be to buy a shoe from either the market, shopping mall, or boutique. You have to choose alternatives. Will you buy it on the road, on the street, or in the market, or in a shopping mall, or in a supermarket, anywhere? You have to make that decision. You list the alternative. Number three, choose the best alternative. Here you think of your values, your goals, your wants, your money available, and needs. You have to think about your values. What kind of a person are you? Your goals. What are the things you plan to use the shoe to do? Your wants. What do you want? What do you want after buying the shoe? Your money available. How much do you have? Can your money purchase the particular shoe that you need? And then the needs. Is it for school or is it for church? What is the need of the shoe? What are you going to use that shoe you buy for? So if you consider all this, you choose the best alternative. Number four, in steps in decision making, act on your decision. After deciding all this, number 1, 2, 3, number 4 is to act on your decision. This means going to buy the shoe. You have to act. After deciding this is what I want, you have to move out and go to where they sell shoes and buy a shoe. Then number 5, evaluate your decision. After buying the shoe, you take it home and then you evaluate your decision. You have to check the quality of the decision you made. You check the quality of the decision you have made. How well it worked for you. When making a decision, I have checked, maybe the black shoe is more expensive than the red shoe. And what you want is black shoe. You have to leave the place and go to another place where the black shoe is cheaper, or you change your decision. So money available can make us to change our decision. So while you are trying to make a decision on the kind of school bag, the school shoe you are going to use, plan yourself well. Have alternatives. If this one is more expensive, the particular style you want, you change to another style so that you can go home with something. It's not the one that Somebody will go to market, the person cannot see what they want. And sometimes some people will not use that money they're supposed to use and buy the shoe. They can use it and buy another thing and squander the money, and they don't have shoe. They will not get the shoe, and the money is gone. So before you go to the market, try and plan yourself. Now, what are the factors that influence decision making? Factors that influence decision making. Number one, family. Your family always affects your decision. Sometimes we want to go to a friend's house and sleep over, but your dad or your mom will say no. They affect your decision. They tell you, no, you're too young to go and stay somewhere. So your family affects decision making. Number two, friends. Friends affect our decision making so much. Some people, they will notice that their friends will plan to have a particular shoe so that all of them will always come to school with a particular shoe. And when their parents now go out to buy shoe, they'll keep on looking for that style that they have decided with their friends. And they will end up buying that style. They might not like it, but because this is a friend thing, because friends likes it, and they'll buy it. And that means your friends have, even your outfit, your friends can affect your outfit. They can influence your outfit. There's some people that doesn't like a particular color because their friends likes those colors, you see them wearing it. So we have resources. We are still on factors that influence decision making. Resources available. The money you have can affect your decision making. You might want to go out and swim on a hot weather, and you don't have the money to pay for the swimming. Will you go? You will come stay at home and watch television. Then your values affect your decision making. Some people, they don't like anyhow clothes. They don't like wearing things that will show their body parts. They like wearing decent clothes. So they have their value, because of the way they value themselves, they always choose decent clothes, no matter what friends do. So your needs and wants. Your needs. Maybe you need a shoe for church, or you want to go attend a birthday party. So these two things will affect your needs, and your wants affect your decision making. You want to go for a birthday party and you need a shoe, but your stomach is empty. You have not eaten before since, but you have another spare shoe. So instead of you listening to your needs, listen to your wants, you listen to your needs, is it not? So if you watch JS1 notes where I explain about needs and wants, you understand what I meant. So simple personal decision. What are the simple personal decisions any human being can make? Simple personal decision you can make. Making good decision can help prevent mistakes in life. While some decisions have a greater effect on your life, others have negative impacts in your life. So the simple personal decision you can make, number one, food-related decision. We have food-related decision. And number two, we have clothing-related decision. That's deciding on the kind of clothes you want. Number three, we have housing-related decision. Number four, we have choosing friends to move with. Everybody have the kind of friends they like moving with. Number five, we have educational decision. This educational decision will include school to attend, books to read, career to pursue. Wow. Now, this is your assignment. List any 10 simple personal decision you have made before, the decision you have made before. Now, the next one is, what is decision making? See you in the next class. Make sure you understand this particular note before you answer the questions in the assignment section. And give me the answers to these questions in the comments below. I am still your home economics teacher. Till we meet.